Breaking news tonight from the FDA. The agency just authorized Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine for emergency use in children as young as 12. Pfizer's vaccine has been authorized for people 16 and older since December. The CDC will have to sign off before those vaccinations can begin. Jackson County says that it's going to spend $5 million federal dollars to vaccinate the inner city, especially the urban core. Michael Mahoney says they plan to do more than vaccinate people who live there.
This is a part of Kansas City where the government statistics say less than 1 in 5 have started their shots. 6 specific zip codes where some of the poorest live, many with other problems too.
We're really trying to find those people who would otherwise slip through the cracks and may not have access to health care services.
Berkeley Patton explained that part too to the Jackson County Legislature Monday. Vaccinating at least 5,000 in 5 months is very achievable. The Morning Star Baptist Church on 27th Street has vaccinated almost 19,000 in 4 months. But the pace here and at other places is slower now. Part of this project will do research, and Morning Star's pastor says they already know the problems.
We can move forward in addressing the problems without a lot of research because we can see it.
The money is from almost $100 million Jackson County got from the feds last year in COVID relief. UMKC will track it.
UMKC has an incredible Office of Research Services. They have managed millions and millions of dollars of federal money.
As Jackson County launches a program to spend $5 million in federal dollars to vaccinate 5,000 in 5 months and also study healthy habits. Michael Mahoney, KMBC 9 News.
Part of this project will try to get people of all ages better access to doctors and other health professionals. There are several opportunities for people to get vaccinated in Jackson County this week without an appointment. Tomorrow's clinics will be in Oak Grove, Lee Summit, and Independence. Volunteers will be giving the one-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine. A new study shows 8 in 10 Americans live within 5 miles of all 3 COVID vaccines. That's from Vaccine Finder, which powers the government's website where people can search for a vaccine by zip code. Despite broad access, demand for vaccines has dropped across the U.S. The White House says vaccines that are sent back to them are redirected to other states that are still ordering their full allotment. But a local group says that vaccines have to be even more convenient for some people. Vaccinate KC is trying to do 2 million vaccinations in the region, and they're taking that effort on the road. KMBC 9's Bianca Beltran is live in Lenexa, where a vaccine van, Bianca, is being deployed.
That's right, Haley. And you know, there have been clinics in communities, but now with this van available, groups ranging from businesses to neighborhood associations can request a clinic to come to them. We got a chance to look inside a little bit earlier today, and it is customized for providing vaccines. That's what it's built for, with cold storage, a built-in generator, and Wi-Fi so that they can update medical records. The goal is to eliminate any barriers that people are still facing, such as a lack of transportation and other challenges in signing up.
In this campaign to get to herd immunity for our community, every arm counts. And so we don't want there to be any pockets that have missed out on the opportunity to get a vaccine. And this van helps us do that.
So groups interested in having a vaccine event or vaccine providers with vaccines waiting to be administered can request a visit from the van online at vaccinatekc.org. I've shared a link on my KMBC Facebook page and Twitter. In Lenexa, Kansas, I'm Bianca Beltran, KMBC 9 News.
Creative solution for sure. The group says that they are a quarter of the way to their goal of 2 million vaccines.